There's like 6-8 inches of snow in the bottom of my shelter. Oh my goodness. Holy mackerel. Oh, it is really blowing out here, folks. Woo! There's so much snow being blown into the trench, I don't think I can get the stove lit out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook inside here. For breakfast, we got something called the Bandito Scramble. Because there's not a lot of firewood around, I brought a chunk of one of those fireplace logs you buy at the supermarket. A little chunk like that will only last a couple hours, but it makes a really nice, cozy little fire.